All right, here we go. It is Friday the 15th. This is the lab showing convection current. Convection current is a term that you have all heard before in Unit 2, okay? But what's happening here, and this gets hot, not like hot, like lava hot, but that's what they're called, lava lamps, but hot enough to where, you can just lightly touch it and that's about it, because it is hot. So what happens is the light bulb that's in this, they call these lava lamps, the light bulb emits a lot of heat and energy, and it heats up the material that's in here, and it's wax-like. And so as that wax-like material starts to absorb the transferred heat energy from the light bulb, it becomes soft and lighter. And as it gets lighter, it begins to float. And basically the take-home message is, we'll watch this one, as it gets away from the heat source, so now it's separated, it's still hot, but it's cooling right now, maybe slowly, but it's still cooling. And as it cools, it will become more dense and more heavy and sink, which is what these are doing. So what happens here is a repeating process of being heated, rising, and then it cools and then sinks. And then it heats, rises, cools, sinks, over and over and over again. Convection current. Remember, convection currents have to deal with fluids, and a fluid could be a gas, or it could also be a liquid, in this case, liquid, all right? So all this really does is it points something that you may have seen before, you might have later on in life. These are like super duper popular when I was little, and my friends, their older brothers and sisters, all had these in their room. And they're really kind of cool just to, watch, and just, they're never quite the same way each time, so they're very different, kind of relaxing too. But this just shows you convection currents sort of in a very unique way, super cool way actually, okay? So with that, I'm gonna upload this. There's a single question that will be asked of you. I'm gonna do this. What type of, what was causing that energy to transfer, and what was moving that, the material up and down? What, convection what? Currents. Say it. Convection currents. Convection currents. Samuel, say it. Convection currents. Saucier. Convection currents. Convection currents. Don't forget that. All right.